Today, we're celebrating National Snack Day with the perfect keto snacks. This special day is all about appreciating the joy of snacking, especially when it's low carb and high fat, in line with the keto diet. Stay tuned to discover a variety of keto snacks and their nutritional value. Nuts are not only delicious, but also carry a wealth of health benefits. Take macadamias, pecans, walnuts, almonds, and peanuts, for example. Each of these nuts boasts a low net carb count of 1 to 2 carbs, making them excellent snacks for those monitoring their sugar intake. Plus, they're packed with healthy fats. For diabetics, these nuts can be a game changer, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. Remember to enjoy these nutty delights in moderation. Beyond nuts, there are numerous unconventional snacks that are keto-friendly. Take celery, for instance, a low-carb powerhouse that also helps reduce high blood pressure. Dark chocolate, when sugar-free and substituted with stevia or monk fruit, becomes a heart-healthy, low-carb indulgence. Hard-boiled eggs, jerky, and cheese chips are protein-rich, zero to low-carb options that keep hunger at bay. And let's not forget kale chips, a nutritious 2-net carb snack. These unconventional snacks not only satisfy your cravings, but also keep your health in check. The keto world is full of variety and taste, ensuring you never run out of snack options. Pork rinds are a zero-carb food, perfect for avoiding blood sugar spikes. Avocados, versatile and full of healthy fats, are low-carb and can be enjoyed in numerous ways. And for the sweet tooth, there's high-key chocolate chip cookies. Keto-friendly, gluten-free, and grain-free, they have less than 1 gram of net carbs and no added sugar. These snacks are a testament to the fact that keto diet doesn't mean compromising on taste. A National Snack Day is the perfect occasion to try these keto snacks. Discover the joy of healthy eating while managing your diabetes and boosting your overall health. Celebrate National Snack Day with these keto delights and embark on a journey towards better health.